Hello, my name is Brian Burnham. This is Module 3, Leadership Styles and Ethics, Leadership Qualities for EDL 852, Intro to Administration. 7 leadership qualities according to Tracy. Number 1, vision, being able to see the future. Courage, willing to take risks. Integrity, humility. Strategic planning, which is the ability to anticipate trends well in advance of others. Focus, always having focus on the needs of the business at hand and the situation. And then cooperation, the ability to get people to work for you because they want to. My strengths and weaknesses. Personally, I think my strengths are integrity, humility, cooperation, courage, and strategic planning. As a coach, I take pride in that. My weaknesses, focus and vision, not because I'm necessarily like a lack of focus per se, but I get off task. I like to have fun, things like that, and sometimes that can be detrimental to a project. And then my vision, again, I think it's more about kind of getting off task and losing sight of the main objective or the ultimate goal of what we're trying to accomplish. Leadership traits. The 3 traits that Aguilar says are most important in a school principal are visionary leadership, community builder, and emotional intelligence. She says find a site with a great leader, and while your struggles might not be over, they'll be significantly reduced. According to the Be the Change consulting survey that I took, my leadership traits: I am South, empathy. I understand how people need to receive information in order to act upon it. I am value driven along aspects of professional life. I'm supportive of colleagues and peers. I also display a willingness to take others' statement at face value. I'm feeling based, meaning that I trust my own emotions and intuitions as truth. I am a team player, receptive of others' ideas. They also said that these individuals who are empathetic are non-competitive. And overall, that might be a true statement, but I don't think that is true for me. Obviously, with my athletic background and being a coach and things like that, I can't afford to not be competitive. I don't think it's unhealthy or to the point where it ruins relationships and things like that. You know, I'm not bad about it, but I am competitive. I do want to win. Ethical leadership qualities. People who are ethical leaders do the following. They build their relationships on respect and trust. They provide consistency amongst their employees. And they also uphold an organization or institution's mission and values. They put the mission and values into action and monitor their success. That's from Horton in 2016. Why me? Where do my leadership qualities come from? Well, I get them from a few different places. My integrity, dedication, and compassion come from my parents. My competitiveness, tenacity, and desire to see a task through to the end come from coaches that I've had or worked with throughout my life. And then my confidence comes from within because I know I've done the work and I know I've worked hard. I'm also professionally knowledgeable and recognize what I bring to the table. I also know that I'm a good communicator who takes other people's feelings into consideration. My personal statements are listed on this slide. The correlation, relevancy, and then my reflection. It's a short reflection because I kind of would refer you back to the relevancy statement. And then here's my references. I apologize in advance and ahead of time. I could not, for the life of me, using Powtoon, figure out how to indent that second line and properly list these. So if I need to have points taken off, Dr. Reed, I understand. Thanks, guys. I appreciate your attention.